Shut up and sit down.
Hello folks, Colin here, Vesta 67's workshop. Welcome to issue 112 of Build the 1967 Mustang Eleanor from the film Gone in 60 Seconds by our good old friends over at Fanhome. Now, if you'd like to grab this for yourself and build one of these along with me, pop over to their website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can be building one of these with me. So, what are we up to today? Let's have a quick scoot and have a looky-loo. We did this on the last issue, folks. Built one of the corner posts there, put the control details on the motor and all of that. So we've done that. Today we're doing the rear crossbeam. So we got that. We got some ramp and left and right ramp clips and some screws just to put them in place. And this is where it's going on your lift, folks. Okay. So that's what we're up to today. Nice simple instructions. Drop them on the little brackets there and then screw them in place just to retain them. And then at the end of it, we're going to have this beam with these little rectangular loops almost poking out that the ramps then will drop in on, folks. Okay, nice and simple. So we'll get on and do that today. So here's our beam that has come and arrived. Nice and sturdy, solid bit of die cast there, folks. Not going to fall over, is it? And then we got our little clamps here, folks, okay? So that's what we want today. So let's line them up and start putting them in position. Let's orientate that the correct way round, like that. And then we want to drop these loops in just like so. And then underneath the screws are going to go up through these little plates just here. Okay. And they'll pull them down and retain them in situ. Okay. So let's grab one of those and a bit of oil. A little bit of oil on the end of that screw. Just like so. Pinch that in place. And then send the screw up. Just to pull that down. Then we are going into plastic, so don't over tighten. Just like that. Let that run around the thread. And then we'll go into that one there as well. So that's that one sorted. And then we'll do the same on this side. Lay that in place, grab a screw, and we'll drop that in, just like that. And then the final screw. And that will then pull that one down. Just like so. So that's what we've got. And then from the other side, you can see them loops where these brackets are then going to hook down and clip in place. Okay. Let's get bits of oil off of there. So that's what we're going to end up with, folks, at the end of this issue. Don't forget, if you'd like to grab one of these yourself and build these along with me, head over to the Fanhome website. There's a clickable link in the description below. And you too can have this on your bench. Also, to help me out and to keep the channel growing, just click the little fester in the corner and subscribe. It is free. Helps the channel immensely. Whilst you're there, ring the bell, select all. That way you'll get notified of upcoming future videos. Also, whilst you're there, if you just click the little carousel next to the thumbs up underneath there, just scroll to the left and click hype and hype the video. That just sends it out and recommends it to other people as well, folks. Just helps boost the content. Thanks for that. Don't forget, stay safe and well, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video, folks. Bye-bye for now.